Hello, I'm going to walk you through the entire roofing process from start to finish. So let's begin. Your project manager arrives and introduces himself. He will hand you his business card and give you a brief overview. Then the crew arrives. They unload tools and prepare the state-of-the-art equipter. The equipter is a self-propelled trailer that allows us to catch all of the debris coming off the roof. That equals an easier cleanup and a more efficient roofing job for you. The project manager and crew prep the yard and do a walk-around, citing any areas of concern. The crew extends a ladder to the roof with a standoff attached for a more stable connection. The crew chief and project manager perform an inventory of all the materials. Now the tear-off begins. All old shingles and felt have to be completely removed in order to inspect the wood decking. The crew replaces any rotten wood. Rotting wood needs to be replaced to create a solid base for your roofing structure. Now we prepare the roof for shingles. First, the crew installs the drip edge. This is a 90-degree metal piece that prevents rain from getting underneath your roofing materials. The ice and water barrier is installed in all valleys, around skylights, chimney flashings, and alongside all flashed walls. It allows for a proper flow of water off the roof and helps prevent damage caused by water migration. The crew then installs the underlayment. It helps prevent moisture from reaching the roof deck. Then a hole is cut for the ridge vent. The crew paints pipes, base flashing, collar, and caps for gas pipes. And now the shingles are ready to be installed. First, the starter shingles. Starter shingles waterproof the eave and rake edges of your home and prevent shingle blow-off. Then the field shingles are installed. We have shingles to suit any home in any style and color scheme, so you can make it your own. The crew installs new pipe boots, base flashing, collar, and caps for gas pipes. The ridge vent is installed next. Ridge vents provide uniform temperature controlling along the roof deck. The crew then installs the hip and ridge shingles. Hip and ridge shingles provide a clean and consistent roof line along with added protection. Finally, the crew touches up the paint and seals around pipes and penetrations. The crew cleans up debris and runs magnets. The crew chief and project managers perform a final walkthrough. The project manager also meets with you to review and answer any questions you may have about your new roof. And that's it. Watkins Construction and Roofing offers the longest roofing workmanship warranty in the roofing industry for the state of Mississippi. Please contact us today for more information about our company. Make us your first choice for roofing needs in Jackson, Madison, Brandon, Byram, and all other surrounding areas in Mississippi. Thanks for watching.